Okay, this is a very quick video on how to extract the hard drive and RAM out of a Macbook A1181. So you need to flip it over, and we'll use this flathead bracket for a video card to unlock the battery. Okay, once we have that removed, you'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver, and there's just 1, 2, and 3 screws to remove this small aluminum panel to get at the RAM and the hard drive. It's all laid out in this diagram right here, actually. And this is just a quick video to show how it's done. Okay, once all 3 screws have been removed, it's easy to pull that piece out. And here we have 2 tabs for the RAM. We just need to pop it over. Ooh. And what do we have here? 1 GB DDR2 RAM and another gigabyte of DDR2 RAM. And our hard drive is just right here. And it looks like there's just a little ribbon. There we go. Nice and easy. Just gotta pull that out. And what size hard drive do we have? A Samsung. Let's see. A Samsung 160 gigabyte, 2.5 inch SATA hard drive, and that's what I was wanting to use. So if you're looking to upgrade this with an SSD, looks like it's quite easy. You just have to remove the hard drive from the bracket, stick the SSD in, and plop it right back in. Very quick and easy upgrade. In this case, I just wanted to take them out. So if you wanted to install any kind of upgrades, easy enough to just put them right back in. Just make sure that they're facing the right direction. In this case, the RAM goes in like that, and the hard drive would go in this way. Okay, just a quick update. In order to remove the hard drive from the chassis, you'll need a Torx head screwdriver, and I'll just give a quick focus here to show you what it looks like. If we can manage that. There we go. So it looks just like that. And you'll just need one small enough to fit it. And then you'll be able to remove it from the chassis here. Okay. Anyways, I'll say it again. Thanks a lot for watching, and hopefully you learned something.